To the CDC, almost 50% of American adults will schedule their yearly flu vaccination. However, a newly developed vaccine created in Nebraska could extend that yearly trip to once every 10 years. 1011 Chanel Taylor McCarthy has more on the vaccine that could protect against the flu.
It's called the Epigraph vaccine, coined after the software used to design it. The virologist who pioneered the development says the future for vaccine science is bright thanks to improvements in gene sequencing tech and databases. A Nebraska virologist, Eric Weaver, said the Epigraph vaccine could protect against swine flu, bird flu, and influenza in humans.
Through biomedical sciences, we're able to create vaccines that actually protect against more strains and last a lot longer.
Weaver, who's been working on vaccine strategies for the past 2 decades, says not only did the Epigraph vaccine outperform commercial vaccines, analysis shows that immunity could last up for 10 years. The study was backed by the U.S. Department of Agriculture's National Institute of Food and Agriculture, as well as the National Institutes of Health.
No vaccine is perfect, and everyone will have some room for improvement. But we think this is a really good start to creating a vaccine that will protect for, like I said, decades.
Weaver says over time, the vaccine may need to be augmented if new strains are discovered. But he says the ultimate goal is to make the vaccine available to children that wouldn't need to be supplemented or boosted until that person is about 50 to 60 years old.
The advancement to clinical trials, or where we would see this move into humans, has also changed a lot in the last 5 or 6 years, with new vaccines being rapidly approved and used in people.
Weaver says the Epigraph vaccine is promising. The patent vaccine used its namesake, Epigraph software, to analyze genetic codes of over 6,000 strains, dating as far back as 1930. Because the vaccine is not strain-specific, it can protect against multiple flu types. And similar to the measles vaccine, Weaver says the disease could be eradicated if everyone received the vaccination.
It seems to be better than any vaccines that I've seen so far in the scientific literature.
The virology team believes this vaccine is promising, but there's still a long way to go. Weaver says the vaccine has made it past the beginning stages of development, but now he hopes to form a partnership with a biotech company to pursue clinical trials within the next 5 to 6 years.